morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are
Good
you?
afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes. Okay. So, in the last class, in the last class, we discussed about the functions of leaves, isn't it? Okay. So, Srived, tell me what is the main function of the leaves? What is the main function?
Food for the plant.
Okay, prepare food for the plants. Okay, so Srived, do you need to read it and to say that answer? No. Yes. Why can't you remember it? Huh? I draw that picture in the board, isn't it? By drawing that picture, I showed how the roots, isn't it? Roots are taking, what they are taking from the ground, children? Roots? Water. Okay, they are taking water from the ground.
Roots.
Okay, roots help to take water from the ground. So, to prepare food, what is important, what it is required?
Water and carbon dioxide.
Okay, water and carbon dioxide are the ingredients. That the ingredients, isn't it? And sunlight. Very good, very good. Yeah, sunlight.
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, good, good. In the presence of sunlight only prepare, green leaves can prepare food. Okay, in the presence of sunlight only, the green leaves of the plants can prepare food. Ashwell, isn't it Ashwell? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So, what are the ingredients for preparing food, Ashwell? What are the ingredients they require? Leaves require? Water. Very good. Then?
And sunlight.
Sunlight in the presence of sunlight. Say, if the LPG, if the gas is finished or if the gas is not there and if the firewoods are not there, will your mother can prepare food?
No, ma'am.
No. No. So in the same way, for getting the heat source, that it depends on the sunlight. Okay. In the presence of sunlight, only the green leaves can prepare food. So,
Look, ma'am.
what are the ingredients? Okay, Aditya, very good, good drawing. Okay, ingredients means for preparing food, they require carbon dioxide and water, isn't it? That all we discussed. That process is called photosynthesis, isn't it? That process is called photosynthesis. Photo means related to light, connected to light.
Preparing food by the green plant.
Yeah, yes, preparing food by the green plants, that is called photosynthesis. Very good. Now, today we can learn about the uses of leaves. Do we have any uses with these leaves?
Yes.
Yes.
Who said yes? Who said raise your hand? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I will give you. Okay, Adidev. Let me give chance to Adidev. Yes, Adidev. What is the use that you can find from these leaves? Yes, Adidev KB. Tell me.
Ma'am, can dear
Wait. Adidev raised his hand. Okay, you don't know. No problem. Let the others, please listen to others. Yes, Diya.
to make food in curries.
Okay, some leaves we can use it as vegetables. Am I right? Some leaves
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can use it as vegetables and we can cook food. Okay, so who can give? Don't say without my permission. Don't make noise. Okay, I will give you a chance. Please raise your hand. So, yes, Aldrin, can you tell me which is the leaf that we can use it as food?
Ma'am, curry leaf.
Curry leaves, okay, for seasoning. With the oil, cumin seeds, mustard, we can use the curry leaves also.
Ma'am,
So that it can bring.
use leaf as medicine.
Okay, Aldrin, one by one we can check it. Okay, so you told about curry leaves. I think children, everybody knows it, right?
Yes.
Curry leaves, we can use it as for keeping the pleasant smell of that dish.
Yes.
Okay, so curry leaves. And is that any leaf we using as vegetable? Vegetable. Oh, Paul is bringing curry leaves from. Wait. Paul is bringing curry leaves from the fridge. Am I right, Paul? So you will surely get.
And
Let me
cabbage.
see. Your mother
Cabbage.
is coming behind.
House backside
cabbage.
there is one tree. Then
Okay.
today I go and
You went there and plucked these leaves and kept it in the cover. Okay, very good job. So your mother can
cabbage.
easily use it in her dishes, right? Okay,
Cabbage.
Aldrin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what you want to tell? Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Okay, cabbage is a leaf. Okay, leaf of that plant that we are using it as food, right? In cabbage. Yes. Banana is, wait. Banana, is it a leaf, Adidev? Banana, it is a fruit. Isn't it? Banana is a fruit of that plant. Okay. Those who know, those who want to share something, please raise your hand. I will give chance. Okay. Let me check who all are raising their hand. Yes, Ihan. Yes, what you want, Ihan? Spinach. Isn't it? Spinach, different types of spinach. Red spinach, green spinach, and not only that, these so many leafy vegetables are there in our combo. Some leaves.
Ma'am, I tulsi.
Okay, keep it with you. Okay, I want it. Keep it with you. So, okay, so some of the leaves of the plants such as pumpkin. Pumpkin, have you heard about pumpkin? Yeah, maybe in your house, as the grandparents or your parents are taking that pumpkin plants, isn't it? So that pumpkin leaves also we can use it as vegetable. Then peas, beans or peas, their leaves, these plants leaves, tender leaves also we can use it as food. Vegetable. So some of the leaves such as cabbage, spinach and different types of leafy vegetables are there that we can include it in our diet. Okay, this all, when we eat this all, it may, okay, Srived, I will give you a chance, okay. Yes, so when we eat this leafy vegetable, the iron, it is very important for the production of blood that may get increased. So in our body, blood will be more if we eat the leafy vegetables.
Ma'am,
Yes, Srived, tell me. Muhammad Wasim, I will give chance. I will give. Yes, Srived, tell me what you want to say. Spinach. Okay. Yes, Wazim, what you want?
I eat one day one leaf of tulsi.
Okay. Each day are you eating only one day you eat. Okay. So this one leaf of the tulsi plant. Okay. So just take it, children. Take one leaf, wash it thoroughly, and just put it in your mouth and chew it. Okay, it will be some not that much good taste, but still if we eat that one, that will improve our immunity. Our body can fight against the force to fight against the germs, against the diseases will increase in our body. That is called immunity. So we can. Okay. So this tulsi leaves, yeah, Rayan is showing that one. So that leaves we can eat as such, or what we can do, we can take some leaves of this plant, put it in a water and boil that water. Okay. After that we can take a half cup or half glass of the water and we can drink. It is a good home remedy for common cold, sneezing, running nose, these all are common, right?
Running nose and sneezing.
Yeah, that is with, so see, if these problems are there, what we can do, take some leaves of the tulsi plant, put it in some water, boil it. And if it is possible, put some Pepper also. Crush the pepper and put it in that one, and then filter that water. Use
I
it.
have tulsi.
Okay. So this water.
And drinking good
You
water.
this water, if you are drinking it 1 to 3 times in a day. Okay, so from that you can easily get rid of from that common cold. So as these tulsi leaves have medicinal property. In the same way, neem, have you heard about neem leaf? Neem.
Yes, ma'am.
See, that is also, it is very bitter. Okay, we can't eat that one. Neem leaves. So this neem, it is a good ingredient for this one, Ayurvedic medicine. So many leaves are used in the Ayurvedic medicine.
Ma'am, mint leaf.
Wait, mint leaf, I will tell you. So these type of, especially, yes, Durga Praveen is showing one leaf. Is it a panikurka? I think it is also a medicinal plant. Okay, but unfortunately, I don't know the exact name of that plant. But I think it is common in everywhere, isn't it?
Ma'am. Yes, my father's.
Tell me, father's mother.
No.
What is? Then what you want to say? Okay, think about it. Think about it and tell me. Okay, so these all are the leaves which have medicinal property. In almost all the Ayurvedic medicines, these leaves are using. Okay, and another one use. Aradhya is showing some stickers on her hand. But sometimes children, instead of this which one, stickers, we are using some other thing, reddish colored thing. What is that one? For the wedding function, for the henna. Isn't it henna? Okay, Santino, you have a lot of medicinal plants with you. Very good. Okay.
And my lanji.
Yeah, that is the name of that henna. See, we can use it for decoration, isn't it? Decoration in our hands, designs in our hands. And not only that, this henna is also have some medicinal property, and we can apply it on the hair. Henna treatment. Yes.
Yes, my grandma does it in the morning.
Okay, so are you helping her?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, William Charles, be quiet, okay? So next one, yes, Durga Praveen is showing the design of her henna. Okay, good. So, yes. So wait, children. So here we can see so many uses are there, isn't it? Curry leaves, where we can crush that curry leaves and put it in the oil, then boil that oil. Okay, so that oil will help us to grow black and long hairs. Growth of that may increase the growth of our hair.
Excuse
Okay.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Wazim.
Someday I eat panikurka.
Okay, good. That is also a medicinal plant. Okay, William Charles, if you are not sitting properly, what I will do? Huh? Okay, so here we can see different types of leaves have medicinal property. And another one, say for the wedding functions, or sometimes in the temples or in church festivals, we will get food. Okay, so that food will be served in which one? Some of the wedding functions. Where it is serving? Yes, Santino. Tell me, Santino.
In banana leaves.
Banana leaves. Yes, banana leaves to serve food. Okay, banana leaves we can use it for serving food.
I will tell in Malayalam.
Okay, we can't use that word. We can use it banana leaf or plantain leaves. So these leaves, we can use it for serving food. Not only that, yes, not only that, we can use this leaf for cooking. Isn't it, Joachim? Yes, these leaves, we can use it for preparing food, cooking food. Turmeric leaves, this plantain leaves, we can, how many of you know how we are using these banana leaves or turmeric leaf for cooking? Have you heard about it? Have you some sweet dishes?
Ma'am, my grandmother make it.
Yes, we'll take and put it that rice flour and some jaggery, coconut, that all, and we'll fill it in, and she will keep that it in the steamer. Isn't it? Steam cakes will be there. Yeah. Using that, for preparing that one, we require these type of leaves. So these leaves have a lot of uses, isn't it?
Yes.
We can use it as food, we can use it as medicine, we can use it for serving and also for cooking food.
And good smell.
Yeah, good smell, it produces good smell. Yes, and another thing for decoration. See,
And there is a leaf that we can put in the biryani for good smell.
yeah, spices, for us spices, coriander leaves, mint leaves, bay leaves. So these all are some of the leaves which we can use it as spices and for getting pleasant smell to our dish. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, okay, Adidev, you started now itself. Don't drink, okay? With the permission of your parents, only to do this all, okay? Yes. So I don't know which type of tulsi plant, tulsi leaf you took. Different varieties are there, okay?
Medicine tulsi.
Okay, but get the permission from your parent, okay? Don't use it as such. So, and another one, children, for during the festival seasons, in my home, during the festival seasons, in front of our puja rooms, we used to hang this mango leaves, okay? Mango leaves. It say we believe that it brings the positive energy. So mango leaves we can use it for decoration.
I have mango leaves.
Okay, not only this mango leaves, some other type of green leaves we can use it for decoration. For making floral carpet, during the Onam season, if we want to get green color, we can use this. Aldrin, please wait. We can use some green leaves, cut it and chopping it into fine particles, and we can use it. Okay, so for decorations also we can use. These are the main uses of leaves. I think children, you daily we are using it, isn't it? Daily we are using this one, so you may be knowing better than this.
Yes.
Okay, so take your workbook fast. Take your workbook page number, I think it is 8. Fast. Page number 8. Can you see the question 15 there? Question number 15. Question number 15. Yes, so it is a picture-based question.
Ma'am, we don't finish page number 40.
Page number 40. Question number 14. We did not complete question number 14.
No.
Okay, no problem. I will send it. Okay, no problem. So up to question number 13 it is over, and now you all can do this question number 15. That is based on the today's topic. What is that one? Which of the following is used as a leafy vegetable? Spinach. D, spinach. So mark it D now itself. Diya, mute your audio. So answer is D. Are you doing? Everybody is doing it? Okay. Next one. See here, so many videos are of Muhammad Wazim, Ilham, Madhav, Darshit, Devna. What you are doing there? Abdul Hadi. Hmm? Okay. Next one, question number 19. Question number 19. That is also a picture based question. Adidev, take your workbook and do it.
Ma'am, I don't. Darshit is done of my video.
Darshit?
I do. Ma'am, Darshit is off my video.
Is it on? Okay.
Yes.
So question number 19. Can you see some pictures there, children?
Yes.
Yes. So these all pictures explains about the uses of leaves. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So Ashwell, which type of use you can see it from the picture 1? Image 1. First one. What it is showing there?
Yes.
Huh? What is it is showing? From that picture, first picture, for crushing one, this is there, some leaves. No? We can use as
We can use
medicine. Okay, we can use as medicine. So first one, used as medicine. Mute your, Darshit, mute your audio.
Have to write.
Yes, write it now itself. Used as medicine. Next one. Advait, in the next picture, what you are getting about the use of leaves? Which type of use it is showing there? Used as?
Used as decoration.
Decoration. Okay, used as decoration. Used as decoration. Used for decoration. Okay, not as, used for decoration. Wait 1 minute, let me rub this all. Used for decoration. Next one, I think everybody knows about it, right? No need to ask. What about which use is shown in that picture?
Making food.
Okay, used as food. Used as food. Okay, D. Last one.
To serve
Used to serve food. Okay, used to serve food.
Ma'am, we use this banana leaves for Onam.
Yes. Only for Onam days? Only for Onam days. Used to serve food. Okay, so question 19, it is over, right? So you learned the different uses of leaves. You learned the different uses of leaves, isn't it?
Yes.
Now we can learn about the functions of stem. Functions of stem. After that, we can learn about the uses of stem. Yes, so shall I? Yes.
Ma'am, don't remove it.
Ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am,
Rishikesh, wait, Rishikesh.
ma'am, I am not finished it.
Okay, you did not finish. Okay, no problem. Same, I will be sending it in the class group also. Okay. So, children, just think about a tree, big tree. Okay, just think about a big tree. So, this big tree have roots. Stem is also there. See, if we draw a big tree, shall I take another? Yes. So here you can see I am going to draw a big tree. Wait, don't worry. Okay, so this is a big tree. You can see, what is this part? Roots. Okay, it is roots. See, what is this part? Stem. Okay, very good. Okay. See, okay, leaves are there, branches are there, isn't it? Yes. Fruits also. Okay. See, mute your audio. Everyone mute your audio. So here you can see fruits are there, and the flowers also. Flowers turn it into fruits, no? So flowers also. Okay, so these all things are there. So who carries these all branches, leaves, fruits and flowers all? Stem. Okay, so this is the main duty of this stem. To carry leaves, branches, fruits and the flowers. Okay, stem of the plant carries the branches of the tree, leaves of the tree, flowers and fruits also. So when it carries these leaves, it is carrying in such a way that all the leaves of the tree get maximum sunlight. Then only they can prepare food, isn't it? So stem carries the leaves in such a way that they can get maximum light from the sunlight. And that is one important function. Another important function. Do you have backbone? Spinal cord or backbone is there? Okay. So what helps to stay? What helps to stand erect or stay erect? Backbone. If anything happens to the backbone, will you be able to sit straight or stand straight? So in the same way, this stem forms as the backbone of this plant. Okay, backbone of the tree is this stem, so that it can keep the plant straight. Stem keeps the plant straight, upright. Understood? That is another function. It carries leaves, branches, fruits and flowers. And not only that, it keeps the plant erect, straight. And another thing. See, here all leaves are there, isn't it? So many leaves are there. These leaves prepare food. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, these leaves are at the top, but roots are at the bottom. So, roots are taking the water. That should reach on the leaves. Then only it can make food. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So, is there any pipe connection is there between roots and these leaves? Yes. Who is saying yes? Okay. Wait. Who said yes? Raise your hand. Wait. Let me give chance to Adi. Yes, Adidev. Oh, yes, Adidev is right. There is a connection between the roots and the leaves, stem, through the stem. The stem acts like a pipe. So, which all water it is taken by the roots from the soil, that will be taken to the leaves through this stem. Understood? Through this stem. So, this stem takes the water and takes it on to the leaves. So, they will prepare food. Isn't it? They will prepare food. Yes. Another one. So, using the water from the roots, stem takes it to the leaves, leaves prepare food. Just think, in hotels, so many dishes are preparing. If Meenakshi wants to eat some, which one, pizza or something, okay, just imagine, say pizza or something, she wants to eat it for today. She know it is there in that nearby hotel. Okay, they are preparing it. If they prepare there, will she get it? No. If she booked it for, Okay, so some delivery boy should, if she paid money to that hotels and informed them, the delivery boy will come and bring it to Meenaksh's house. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. In the same way, leaves prepare food and keep it there. So who will take this prepared food to different parts of the plant? This stem. Okay, there is no delivery boy there or person. So stem acts like a delivery boy. Understood? This stem takes the prepared food from the leaves and take to the different parts of the plant so that these parts can grow. These parts of the tree can grow. Clear? So these are the main functions of the stem. Understood? So Meenakshi, understood? See Meenakshi, understood? Okay, so this stem helps to take the water from the roots to the leaves. It transports the prepared food from the leaves to different parts of the plant. Okay, it bears or carries leaves, branches, fruits, flowers, whole thing. And one more thing, it helps to keep the plant straight or make it erect. These are the functions of the stem. Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Basically. Okay. So now we can learn about the uses of stem. Uses of stem. See, everybody can see Diya's window, house window, isn't it? Can you see there? Yes, beautiful, beautiful wood paneling and windows also. So here, children, see what is the material used for making that windows? Wood. Okay. So Joachim is sitting on a wooden chair. Am I right? Am I right? Yes. See, behind Joda, I can see her door of her room, isn't it? So which material is used for making it? Wood. Okay. And see Sarah, see we can see dining table made out of wood. Am I right, Sarah?
Yes.
Yes. And Santino, I can see on the floor, on the wall of the room, I can see a wooden stand, beautiful wooden stand. Am I right, children? So these all, and not only these all, so many. Ilham's back, I can see the wooden window, so many things. Okay. So if you just looking around you, you can see the wooden tables, wooden chairs, wooden cupboards, wooden doors, windows, everywhere. So
study table is wooden.
yes, so this wood is the stem of a big plant. Am I right? This wood. Okay. This wooden material, that it is the stem of the plant. So for making furnitures, to making doors, windows, we are using the stem of the plant or the tree, not the plant, tree, big trees. Teakwood tree, jackfruit trees.
I have a study table wooden.
Okay, rubber trees, that all we are using for making furnitures. And see, are you using eraser? Up to 4th standard, you can use eraser, right? Do you know eraser?
Rubber trees.
Yeah, rubber trees. Yeah, it is made. Yeah, see the stem, from the stem of the rubber tree, one
There
white
is
colored
white
milk-like liquid is there. Using that one, we can make this. You learn. Okay, good. Okay, so these are the uses. Okay.
These are rubber.
Okay, Rayan. Okay. So these are the main uses. And one more thing. Say during the wedding, during this festival seasons, I think sugar canes, you are eating sugar cane juice, right?
Yes.
So these are the stem of the plant. Okay, so about, say in the next class, we will learn some more about the uses of the stem. Okay, so read the textbook properly. Let me wind up today's class. Okay, it is now the time to wind up.
Attendance.
Okay, attendance have it. Okay, thank
I will
you.
take
Bye.